Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is: a welder qualified for 6G position on a 2-inch pipe is assigned to weld a 10-inch pipe in horizontal position. Is this acceptable? So basically, in the question, see, the welder has been qualified in 6G position with a 2-inch pipe coupon. So the size of the test piece or size of the test coupon is 2-inch OD, 2-inch dia, and the position in which the welder gave the test, took the test is 6G position. So now the question is whether he will be able to weld a 10-inch dia pipe in horizontal position. So two things are there. First one is the position requirement and the second one is the diameter requirement. So let's see the answer. See, to solve this question, we will have to refer two tables. First one is table QW 461.9 in ASME section 9. So as per table QW 461.9, see, this table is for position requirement. And as per this table, a welder qualified in 6G position can weld in any position. Hence, the first question is clear now. First fundamental is clear that the welder has been, if the welder has been qualified in 6G position, hence he can weld in horizontal position. So the first question is clear, means the first part of the question is clear. Now the second part is that he was qualified on a 2-inch dia pipe, whether he can weld 10-inch dia pipe or not. So to solve this, we need to refer table QW 452.3. And as per table QW 452.3, a welder who has taken test on a test coupon having 2-inch dia or 50 dia can or will be qualified for a minimum of 1-inch dia pipe and maximum is unlimited. Means a welder qualified on a 2-inch dia pipe can weld 1-inch dia pipe to unlimited dia pipe. Means minimum 1 inch and maximum there is no limit for maximum. Hence he can weld on 10-inch pipe because 10-inch is greater than 1 inch. Hence, the answer will be yes. A welder qualified in 6G position can weld in horizontal position, and the welder has been qualified with a 2-inch dia coupon. Hence, he can weld a 10-inch dia coupon. So, he is qualified for 10-inch dia coupon. So, the answer will be yes. Friends, if you have not subscribed, joined my channel, so please join my channel. See, after subscribing my channel, you'll see the join icon, and by pressing that join icon and by paying a very small amount, you can join my channel and you can submit. You can support my initiative financially. So, friends, please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.